This is Above City Estate Phase 2, which we just completed the second physical allocation last week. So I care to show you the drone view of this estate, the landmark, and where this estate is located. And also, if you want to be a subscriber of this estate, you can do as well and reach out to me or this number you see on your screen. I am Chinoso Freddy, and my goal is to make you safe, profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu. This is one of the best land banking property that I would like you to invest in along the O axis.